Good morning, students. Lesson 5, Editing Text in Word 2013. Our today's topics are how to select text using the keyboard and how to insert and delete text in Word 2013. So, watch the video for this and learn about it. Selecting text using the keyboard. You can select text using even the keys on the keyboard. First, place the cursor to the left of the first character you wish to select. Then, use the key combination given in the following table. So, selecting text using the keyboard, if you want to select one character to the left, then press Shift plus left arrow. See here. Then, if you want to select one character to the right, place the cursor and press Shift plus right arrow. Then, if you want to select one line up, if my cursor is here, I want to select one line up, then Shift plus up arrow. Press Shift plus up arrow like this. Then, if my cursor is here, I want to select one line down, then press Shift plus down arrow like this. Then, if my cursor is here, I want to select to the end of the current line, this line to the end of the current line, then press Shift plus end from your keyboard, Shift plus end button. Then, if my cursor is here, I want to select to the beginning of the current line. Then press Shift plus home button. If you want to select to the end of the current document from here, end of the current document, then press Shift plus Control plus end. If you want to select to the beginning of the current document from here, if my cursor is here, I want to select to the beginning of the document, then press Shift plus Control plus home. If you want to select entire document, means this whole paragraph or entire document, press Control plus A. Like this, you are able to selecting text using the keyboard. Now next topic is inserting and overtyping text. Sometimes you may want to insert text, that is place new text between existing text. You may also want to overtype or replace old text with new one. Overtype means replace old text with the new one. So for that, before inserting or overtyping text, you should always check whether the insert or overtype mode is selected on the status bar or not. To select the insert and overtype mode, right click on the status bar. This is your status bar. This blue line is your status bar. Right click on this status bar. Then the customize selection status bar menu appears. Click overtype. See here. This is the overtype option. Click here. The right tick mark appears. The insert and overtype button appears on the status bar. See here. If I don't click here, you cannot see the insert option here. If I click here, you can see the insert and overtype button on the status bar. Now, if the insert button appears on the status bar, it means the insert mode is selected. Now the insert mode is selected. If the overtype, click here again, you can see the overtype option. If the overtype button appears on the status bar, it means overtype mode is selected here. If you click the overtype button, it will change the insert. So you can change this button by clicking this button, insert or overtype. Now, first is inserting text. So click here, you can see the insert option. Now for inserting text, position the cursor where you want to insert the new text. I have already typed the two lines which is shown in your book. See figure 5.4. Monu had 2 donkeys. He used to put bags of goods their bags. So on word is missing before their. See figure 5.5. Monu had 2 donkeys. He used to put bags of goods on their backs. So on is missing here. I want to write on here. I want to write on here. So first position the cursor here. Then make sure that the insert mode is selected. Here it is, insert mode is selected. Now type the new text. So type here on, O-N, and then when you insert the new text, the existing text moves to the right. And when you are done typing, press the space bar key. So like this, you can insert the text, insert the missing text. Now for overtyping text, you can type and replace the current text with the new text in the overtype mode. To change to the overtype mode, click insert on the status bar again. So the insert option changes to the overtype. Now to overtype the text in the document, place the cursor before the letter where you want to start overtyping. Now I want to start overtyping from here. So place the cursor here and type the text. Now see the changes. I am typing again here. Monu had. See here what is happening. The text are overtyping. Like this you can overtype the text. Now inserting a blank line. If I want to insert a blank line between these two lines, then place the cursor at the end of the line after which you want to insert a blank line and then press enter. Press enter button. You will notice that the next line gets shifted down and a blank line is inserted here. Now for the deleting text. You can easily delete a character, a word or a block of text in the Word 2013. So first, position the cursor to the left of the character to be deleted. Now if I want to delete this Monu had 2 words, so position the cursor to the left of the character to be deleted and then press delete button from your keyboard. See here. So if you have placed your cursor to the left side, then press delete button. Now if you position your cursor right side of the character, if I want to delete this off word, then I have to position my cursor to the right side of the character and press backspace. See here, backspace. I have pressed backspace key. Then to delete a block of text, means select the text to be deleted. First block of text. If I want to select these 2 words, then select the text and then press delete or backspace, any key from your keyboard. Now you can delete a word in the following manner. If you want to delete any word, place the cursor to the left of the word to be deleted. If I want to delete these 2 words, then place the cursor to the left of the word before 2 and then press Ctrl plus delete. See, the whole word will be deleted. Then if you want to place the cursor, if you want to delete this word now, used, and place the cursor to the right of the word to be deleted, and I want to delete this used word. So I place the cursor to the right of this word and press Ctrl plus backspace key. So this word is deleted. Like this you can insert text, select text using keyboard, insert text, overtype text, deleting text. So see this video and practice it.